Hello, welcome back. Today's video, and this is like, it's gonna be kind of all over the place. This video is going to be me just sitting down randomly throughout the days of the past month, opening Amazon packages, different boxes, all this stuff that I've gotten from my apartment. And right now it looks like this. This is about all I have. I've been here for 3 weeks now, so I feel like I'm doing pretty decent. It's like literally end of November, no, November 18th. And all the clips you're going to see after this are going to be from like a couple weeks ago. So like this isn't gonna look like this. So yeah, I'm going to open, this will be the first thing on the video, I guess. I need scissors. This box is from Amazon, obviously, and it is going to be some stuff for my kitchen. It's like some containers and organizers for like pantry food type stuff, like pasta and stuff like that. And then it's also a utensil set. Let's see if it's what I expected it to be. I hate how they wrap everything individually. Amazon, what are you doing? Almost every Amazon package that I've gotten that comes with like multiple items, every single thing is wrapped individually. Wood utensils and then the rubber on top. Like, they're actually so nice. If you are moving or whatever and you need a utensil set, I'm going to link this down below. I ordered it yesterday and it came today at like 2 o'clock. Ah, a little whisk. How is this so cheap? It comes with this thing, and then look at how many utensils there are. And they're cute too. Fit perfectly on my counter. Let's look. It's perfect. And it has everything you could need. I'm back. I need my scissors. Okay, they're right in front of me. Seems like kind of a small box for what I ordered, but maybe I'm just didn't visualize the sizing correctly. Oops. Okay, cute. It's like these little jars make things just look more cute and organized. Right now I just have a bunch of like boxes, like the boxes that everything come in. It's like stuck in this styrofoam and I can't get it out. Got 6 of them and there's 2 of each size. So there's these shorter ones and then these a little bit taller ones that are skinnier, and then even taller ones that are bigger again. This is just gonna have to be a haul slash showing you what the products actually are used for and what they would look like, because I just want to show you everything. Another one. Gosh, this is so cute. Okay. Look how cute they are, just sitting there. Oh. I got a paper towel holder. Hey, $6 paper towel holder from Amazon. Nice. Voila. Another package. My mirror came. I don't even know how to go about opening this. Like this. Oh, I'm getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Oh, I got it. Yay. We're gonna move it to where it's supposed to be. Put it right in this corner. Let's see what we got. It should just be toaster and some other things. Toaster. Very simple stainless steel. It's got big openings. And then you can push this down, all the buttons. This is a phone tripod. And I got, this is like Christmas. Then I got salt and pepper shakers. And lastly, I got LED lights because I want to put them behind my TV. No. Oh, look at that. That's another package. This is 25-piece set of all different sizes of acrylic organizing tray things. I unwrapped all of these. I'm very happy with them, and now I have to go in and put stickers on all of them. Hopefully this is enough. Yeah, I'll update you once I'm done organizing my bathroom. Here is this so far. So we have hair clips and ponytails, earrings, more just like rings and random fun jewelry. I still have all of these left, which I will for sure find somewhere to use, probably in like my office desk, and I'll use more in here once I eventually get more stuff. Okay, this is the last thing I have for this video, and I already unpackaged it, but it's this set of cutting boards, and it comes with 3 different sizes, which is really nice, and they're nice and cute, and they fit perfectly with everything else just sitting right here. And I will link them down below with everything else that I showed you in this video. They were only like $20 or so, so not bad at all. But yeah, that is it for this video. That is all I have, and I'll see you next time. Bye.